Hello my friends, welcome to another exciting video. So here my friends, in this video I will walk you through how you can create a chart with large numbers. Because in the previous video my friends, you might have recognized that our chart, it consisted, or it was limited to a small amount of numbers because it was generated just through lists that involve only five items. But my friends, in this example I will try to break down or explain to you clearly how we can create or generate or assemble a chart using a huge amount of data. Because my friends, as a data scientist, to visualize data you're going to be working or handling or interacting with vast of amount of data, like hundreds of gigabytes, my friends. So my friends, to achieve that or to fulfill that, the first thing, which is to set the x values. And my friends, to do that we're gonna use the list method. The list method, my friends, it helps us to convert a range of numbers into a list. And the y values, my friend, here, my friend, it might be this structure, it might be confusing at first, which we call a less comprehensible list. It is a quick way, my friends, to create a list while performing some functionality into the item that we add into the list. For example, here, my friends, we get items from, by using a for loop, we go through each item in the x values list and we are squaring it. Here, my friends, we're going to move into the scatter method, which enable us to generate the list by passing x values and y values as arguments. And here, my friends, we have already tackled this and explained to it in previous videos. We're gonna move, my friends, to the access method, which is the most important method, my friends. The access method, my friends, it enables us to set the range of numbers that will be displayed on each coordinator, on each axis. And my friends, before I have run into some errors or mistake, because my friends, after conducting some research, I have come to understand that Matplotlib by default it shortens numbers that are very lengthy into one by making some calculation using 1e6. And my friends, to avoid this default behavior, all we have to do is to just add this method that enable us to display the whole number. And like that, my friends, we get this let me first execute this code. Like that, my friends, we get this neatly formatted uh, charts that is comprehensible, with a title that will enable like other people who see the chart to clearly understand what this chart try to convey. So thank you, my friend, for watching these videos, and see you in another one.